Hi everyone, this is Josie from First the Coffee Crochet. Welcome back to my channel. In this stitch tutorial, we're going to go over how to make the linked half double crochet stitch. This is a really easy stitch and it's just a little bit of a modification from the regular half double crochet stitch. So to start out the stitch from a foundation chain, you'll just want to make a chain of any number for your stitch count, and then you'll want to add 2 to the end. Once you have your foundation chain for the first row, what you're going to do is in the second chain from the hook, you'll want to insert your hook into that, and you'll yarn over and pull up a loop, and that'll give you 2 loops on your hook. Then in the third chain from the hook, you're going to insert your hook into that, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook, just like you would when you're doing a normal half double crochet. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And what this does is links the first linked half double crochet to your turning chain. So then when doing the next stitch, if you look at your half double crochet here, you'll see these 3 bars. We're going to be going underneath this middle bar here that's going horizontal. So you'll just insert your hook under that, yarn over and pull up a loop, and that'll give you 2 loops on the hook. Then you'll go into the next chain, yarn over and pull up another loop, and then you'll yarn over and pull through all 3. And then just as before, you'll have the 3 horizontal bars. You'll go back under that middle one to start out your next linked half double crochet, pull up a loop, then go into the next stitch that you're going to work and pull up a loop. And this is what you're going to do all the way across your chain. You'll go under that middle horizontal bar, the stitch you just did, pull up a loop under that, and then go into the next stitch that you're going to be working in, and then complete your stitch. So again, that's just underneath the horizontal bar in the middle, and then into the next stitch that you're working. To start the next row, best to turn first before doing your starting chain, and then chain 2. Then we'll be using this first chain in the turning chain, and you'll insert your hook into that and pull up a loop. And then go into that first stitch, and pull up another loop, and then finish off the stitch. And that'll do just as it did down here in the foundation row. It will link your first stitch to that turning chain. So then just as before, going under that middle horizontal and then into the working stitch. And that's all there is to it to make a linked half double crochet stitch.